Imagine you're sitting at your desk having a video conference with a client. You're sharing your screen to show them a presentation. Suddenly, a thought pops into your head. Can RingCentral see everything on my screen, even the sensitive information I'm trying to keep private? This question has been on the minds of many people who use RingCentral for their video conferencing needs. In this video, we'll dive deep into RingCentral's privacy policies and explore whether the platform has the capability to see your screen. Understanding RingCentral's privacy policies. RingCentral is a popular cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of features, including video conferencing, voice calls, and messaging. Like any other technology company, RingCentral has privacy policies in place to protect user data. According to RingCentral's privacy policy, the company collects and processes personal data to provide its services. This data includes information such as your name, email address, phone number, and usage data. However, the policy doesn't explicitly mention whether RingCentral has the ability to see your screen during video conferences. Analyzing RingCentral's video conferencing features. To get a better understanding of RingCentral's video conferencing capabilities, let's examine some of the key features. Screen sharing. When you share your screen during a RingCentral video conference, you're essentially broadcasting your desktop or application to other participants. RingCentral acts as a mediator, transmitting the visual data to all attendees. Encryption. RingCentral uses encryption to protect your data during transmission. This means that the data is scrambled, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to intercept. Participant list. RingCentral maintains a list of participants in each video conference. This information includes their names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Can RingCentral see your screen? Based on our analysis, it's highly unlikely that RingCentral can see your screen in real time during a video conference. Here's why. Encryption. The data transmitted during a video conference is encrypted, making it difficult for RingCentral to decrypt and analyze. Technical limitations. RingCentral would need to have sophisticated algorithms and infrastructure in place to process and analyze the vast amount of visual data transmitted during a video conference. This would be a significant technical undertaking. Privacy implications. If RingCentral were able to see your screen, it would raise serious privacy concerns. The company would have access to sensitive information that could be misused. Additional considerations. While it's unlikely that RingCentral can see your screen in real time, there are a few other factors to consider. Screen recording. Some users may choose to record their video conferences. If you record a session, you'll have a local copy of the video, which could potentially be accessed by unauthorized individuals. Participant behavior. It's possible that other participants in a video conference might be able to see your screen more clearly than you think. If someone has a better internet connection or is using a higher quality camera, they might be able to capture details that you're unaware of. Protecting your privacy during video conferences. If you're concerned about privacy, here are a few tips to protect your data during RingCentral video conferences. Use strong passwords. Create strong passwords for your RingCentral account to prevent unauthorized access. Be mindful of what you share. Before sharing your screen, carefully consider the information you're about to reveal. Avoid sharing sensitive data that you don't want others to see. Use a VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, can encrypt your internet traffic, making it more difficult for others to intercept your data. Report suspicious activity. If you notice any unusual activity on your RingCentral account, report it to the company immediately. While RingCentral's privacy policies don't explicitly address whether the company can see your screen during video conferences, our analysis suggests that it's highly unlikely. However, it's important to be mindful of other factors, such as screen recording and participant behavior, that could potentially affect your privacy. By following the tips we've discussed, you can take steps to protect your privacy during RingCentral video conferences and ensure that your sensitive information remains confidential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.